I'm Fred with Fred's Auto Repair, and today we are going to be pulling the rear differential and fuel tank out of this John Deere lawnmower. Stay tuned. Okay, this old lawnmower, it has the problem that once you get the transmission hot, that it really quits pulling and starts slipping. So I have got a used transmission out of another lawnmower and a good gas tank to put in it because the gas tank's cracked. So stay tuned and we'll get to pulling this thing apart. Okay, I'm going to start off by removing all the mounting bolts. There's 2 on this side, 2 on that side. I think there's 2 up front. So stay tuned. Okay, I've got everything unhooked down here, all the linkages and electrical plugs. So I'm going to lift up on the back of the mower and walk this thing off. Okay. And right like that, it's out. Okay, comparing the new and old transmission, they look identical. So, anyway, so I'm gonna get this lined up and throw them back in. So stay tuned. Okay, I got the new rear end started to go up in there. Now I'm gonna put all our linkages back before I go up in there so that the rear end still can move a little bit. And it'll help me in the long run. I got the belt all wrapped up around there where it needs to go. Okay, we got everything hooked back up and so the wheels and tires ready to go back on. So anyway, so let's dig into it. Okay, well I got our silicone center cap off, or rubber cap. Now you just pop this clip and the wheel lifts off here. So anyways, well I'll get this thing pulled off. Okay, got the wheels and tires on and I got the fuel tank out. How I did that was I unbolted the 2 bolts at the back of the body and I bent the body up. It creased it. It hadn't creased it yet. But you can see it's saying where it's supposed to be. But I'd rather have a little bit of scarring there than have to tear the whole dash apart. Got everything put back together and took it up the road, climbed a couple hills, did a couple burnouts, and it all did great. So that one seems to be a good transmission, but before it wouldn't go nowhere once it got hot, but now I can put it up against a tree and it'll melt the tires off of it. But anyways, be sure to like and subscribe and check out my other videos.